I have a quick review slash install video for you guys. This is the HP ink cartridge number 67. Depending on your printer, is depending on what you guys are going to be ordering. I already recommend getting the HP ink if you have an HP printer because that's going to be the best quality. You can go for the knockoff ones or the off-brand ones, but you guys are going to notice a difference. So let's go ahead and open this up and then we're going to install it. This is a 2-pack right here and it is black and tricolor. So that is it right there. So let's go ahead and open this up and I'm going to show you how to install it. Okay, you guys, we do have the tricolor one and then we have the black one. Did mention is a dual pack. What happened is I was working with the ink that it came with and then you guys could see that it started kind of fading like the black color. So it was time to buy a regular ink. So most of them are going to be pretty simple and straightforward on how to do it. So this one, we're just going to go ahead and pop it open just like that. And then I actually leave my printer on. That way it eventually opens up like that. Sometimes it could take longer. That was pretty quick right there. So all we have to do is pull these out and then put the new ones in. Let me go ahead and open them up first. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is just go ahead and pull this tab. All it is a little sticker right there. So you don't wanna touch that. That side is gonna be inserted and that's where the ink comes out of, okay? So just to replace it, all we have to do is push down on here, okay? And it's that simple to remove. And then we're just gonna place this right in there and just push. All I did is push in. And the cool thing is it is the color coordinated. So the black is actually the black and then the pink is that tricolor. So we're gonna do the same thing. All we have to do is pull this out right here. We're gonna push down, go ahead, take this out. And then we're gonna, well, actually I could show you guys what it looks like. That's what it looks like right there. We're gonna go ahead and put that in. Just like that. So now we are good to go. All we have to do is close this up and then it's going to let us know that everything's good and we could go ahead and start printing now.